Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about Nikola Corp stock. In this video I am talking about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. Stock is trading at $2.50 with 2.04% positive in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of the stock was recently at all-time high, so the fundamental stock is better for today. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult a financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and also comment all related queries.